Evening all. So let's quickly discuss the setup for tomorrow, that is for 6th May 2021, which is the expiry day. Okay. The number one, the pattern formations, couple of pattern formations out here. The one is the broader upward trending channel which we are currently trending in, and the other one is the symmetrical triangle formation which has just been formed today. Okay, this has been formed today itself. So though we are going through a bit of choppy sessions since quite a few days, okay, not getting quite strong directional momentum on the charts, neither from Bank Nifty nor for Nifty. This is expected. Probably tomorrow is the day where it can break out and make some strong rally or make some strong fall. Okay. I will take you through the OI data that indicates a bit of strength, at the lower side. So ideally, such strengths are the one which leads to sort of a sharp short covering or such bigger move. We'll discuss it shortly. With respect to tomorrow's session, this is the pattern that we are going to keep a watch on. Okay, and yes, with respect to the levels to enter, with the breakout of this, you are just about to meet the resistance at 32,990 odd, which is also the OI resistance at 33,000. Okay, so ideal expectations would be that we let it breach a bit. If you are trading alone, then you should let it breach a bit. You should look to enter into long about 33,125 or 150 odd. You are giving a cushion of 100 or 150 odd points from the OI resistance, which is also your derived resistance, which is also after the breakout of this pattern. Okay, so look to enter into long at 33,150 approx, 33,150 approx level. With the strikes, okay, I will dictate the strikes as well for today, because tomorrow is the expiry. So when you're entering at 33,150, try to enter with the immediate next strike, which will be 33,200 or at the max 33,300, not beyond that. Okay, again, tomorrow being expiry, the option prices will be quite cheaper. I would say it will be quite inexpensive. So don't try to gamble. Trade with the same number of lots that you trade on the normal days, like on Fridays, Mondays, or Tuesdays. Don't just increase your position sizing or your lot size just because the options are at bit cheaper prices. You will continue to trade with the same number of lots that you have been trading with. So once you enter into long trade, based on the SL that you ideally keep for in the channel, we don't take SL more than 50 or 55 odd points on the Bank Nifty. So that's the limit, considering the risk management, irrespective of the technical SL and all. That is the level, or that is the limit that we keep for ourselves. If the position is hitting, we will let it hit. If there is a if there is a reversal in the momentum, if the momentum is not picking up, we will even pull out the trade even before the SL gets hit. So that's how we trade. So with respect to the target, once you have entered into the long trade, you can expect Bank Nifty to move further towards the target of 33,500 to 33,620. Okay, that is the expected target, which is also your next or immediate OI resistance that Bank Nifty will be facing. The ideal expectation would be, once you have entered into 33,150 odd, you will be looking for a short covering to be triggered at 33,275. 275 odd is the level where you will be ideally looking for short covering to be triggered. With respect to short trade, if at all we don't open with a gap up or sideways, then we break out. Rather, we open with sideways or with a bit of gap down. Okay, there are quite a lot multiple supports that we got here. Ideal level for you to enter. So because you have just closed at 32,850, it will be a bit tricky. Okay, because if I tell you that you need to enter just below your support for tomorrow, that is around 32,500 odd, or 550 odd. These levels are not comfortable to short because 32,500 is again your OI support. So the ideal level for you to enter should be below your OI support, which should be somewhere around 32,415 or 410 odd. Okay, that should be the ideal level for you to enter into short, that is with PE. But again, there is one challenge, that once you have entered into short, just after maybe probably 100 points, you are going to face the support of the channel as well. Okay, so far it have taken support twice at the moment, first year, second year. Tomorrow if you enter into short at 32,420 or 410 levels, here somewhere around here you may get stuck. Okay, but you should take that chance, and be very cautious, be very attentive, that if at all you see it have tested this level and now it is making a bounce back, you should exit your position right there and there itself. But if it is breaking down further, breaking the support, breaking the multiple supports out here, then there are quite high probability that it will not only achieve the target of 32,000 or 31,990, but there could be further drag as well. Okay, that we will cover when I'm going to discuss the OI data with you. So that is the entry level setup for you on the Bank Nifty. Yeah, with the strikes for the put, it's just that if you are entering somewhere around 33,410 or 415, try to enter with the immediate next strike, which will be your 32,300 put. Okay, now with respect to OI data, we got 9 lakh put shorts at 32,000 strike, and okay, this is something wrong, just a minute. This should be 15 lakhs and not 25 lakhs. Yeah, and we got around 15 lakh of a call shorts at 33,000 levels. So 33,000 and 32,000 are sort of a range that has been created for tomorrow, which are quite strong support and quite strong resistance, while 32,500 is going to act as again a moderate support. Okay, here that, as I said, we should not be entering into shorts right here. You should let it breach further or let it fall further, have some create some cushion and then enter into it. The only probability where we can expect or where we can see some fireworks tomorrow is if there is a breach of either of this strong support or strong resistance. Okay, either there is a breach of either of this strong support or strong resistance. So while trading shorts, if at all we see that that we have broken this 32,000 OI support quite decisively, and now we are trading at 31,800 somewhere around here, that would be the level where all the put shorts so far here been created, they will lead to short covering. And with this short covering, you will be at least be immediately pushed to the next OI support, which is 31,500. Yeah, 31,500. Similarly, out here you got these are the targets for tomorrow. Yeah, these are the targets for tomorrow. So as soon as it breaks out the level of 33,000 tomorrow, you can expect the immediate target of 33,500 to be achieved based on short covering getting triggered at 33,275. Okay, although we are quite near to 33,000 level, just around 200 points or 150 points we are away from the closing range, which is quite possible. Okay, so that's the setup for tomorrow for Nifty, Bank Nifty. On a daily time frame, it is yet playing quite indecisive. Here it indicated that there is sort of some reversal that we are going to experience. Rather, this was the retest level. Now it have again began to move up. So unless and until we are not breaking the high of this candle, which I discussed yesterday as well, unless and until we are not breaking the high of this candle, we are going to remain a bit indecisive. Okay, with respect to the trend or with respect to the trades, we need to enter very cautiously into any directional trade that we are entering into. Okay, so that is with respect to Bank Nifty. With respect to Nifty, sort of similar formation. Here we got the ascending triangle pattern, which is quite positive in terms of pattern. So if at all it breaks out tomorrow somewhere around 14,665 or 670, you should be looking to enter into long with CEs. when you are entering into long, you should, with Nifty at least, if you are entering somewhere around 14,650, 660 or 670, you should be entering with a CE of 14,650. Okay, if you are not comfortable, then at the max you should be selecting or choosing the strike of 14,700, but do not select strike beyond that. Okay, the target that you will be expecting would be somewhere around 14,749, but do make a note that 14,700 is somewhere you may get stuck, which is your next or immediate OI resistance. With respect to short trade, we will be looking to enter into short somewhere around 14,000 or somewhere below 14,550, with an immediate expectation of targets to be somewhere around 14,490. Okay, this is so far the setup for tomorrow. Now, how the data turns out to be, how aggressive the momentums are, what are the sentiments for tomorrow, that is something which needs to be gauged and which needs to be derived on the real time basis, and based on that the targets, the momentum, everything will get changed. With respect to OI data, we got 23 lakh put shots at 14,500, which is pretty strong. We got 10 or approximately 11 lakh of a call shots at 14,700, which is sort of a moderate resistance, not quite strong resistance, which is sort of a moderate resistance. We got 22 lakh put shots and 18 lakh of a call shots at 14,600, which is sort of a tussle zone. Okay, but it appears that we are so far comfortably trading above the 14,600 shots, so just 10, 15 or 10, 20 odd points above the current levels, it should trigger the short covering at least of the call shots. Okay, with respect to daily time frame on the Nifty, same as Bank Nifty, it has just approached the previous breakout point. It is retesting it at the moment. Unless and until we do not breach the high of this candle, the things will remain a bit indecisive at the moment. So let the expiry move get played tomorrow, and then we will come to know as to what is the trend or what is the direction that we are going to look forward. Do refer to the handbook shared on the channel, please, for key things to remember while you are trading. For live trade explanations and training, you can join the Telegram channel. Link is shared in the description box for your reference. Also, do subscribe to our YouTube channel for daily updates and daily setups further. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.